It is 5 in the morning in Paris. Silence rules the dark corridors of the arsenal. A man locks himself in the immensity of a vast laboratory, working tirelessly under the dim oil lamps. He is not a sorcerer, but an architect of truth. Surrounded by gigantic copper gasometers and analytical balances of a precision never before conceived in the world, he weighs the secrets of material reality. He is Antoine-Laurent de Lavoisier. He was born on August 26, 1743, into a wealthy and privileged French aristocratic family. The premature death of his mother left him heir to an immense personal fortune. Fulfilling the strict wish of his father, an eminent lawyer, he graduated in law with honours in the early 1760s. But the courts suffocated him. His true calling gravitated irresistibly toward the empirical observation of the natural world. He wanted to measure nature, not judge men. In the 18th century, the world blindly believed that fire released a mystical, invisible essence called phlogiston. Lavoisier doubted. He adopted the precision balance as the supreme, unforgiving judge of science. He sealed metals inside airtight glass flasks and heated them until combustion. By weighing them before and after, he irrefutably demonstrated that the total weight of the system remained absolutely constant. The air did not disappear, it was assimilated, creating a vacuum. He had just demolished alchemy. In 1778, he baptized this revolutionary gas with an immortal name: oxygen. His zeal for maximizing every microsecond bordered on extreme eccentricity. To steal hours from lethargy and avoid the heavy digestive drowsiness of French banquets, he imposed on himself a Spartan bread and milk diet. But he was not alone in this feverish nocturnal routine. His wife, Paulze Lavoisier, endowed with a formidable intellect, became his indispensable and irreplaceable co-theorist. Together, they subjected their brilliant assistant, Armand Séguin, to wearing suffocating, sealed facial masks to measure human oxygen consumption. They discovered something poetic and radical. Breathing is, at its core, a slow chemical combustion that produces vital heat. They had founded modern metabolic physiology. However, the genius inhabited a dark and tragic duality. To finance his astronomically expensive big science, Lavoisier acquired a decisive stake as a directing shareholder in the Ferme Générale, the hated private corporation that collected the suffocating taxes of the absolutist monarchy. Applying his cold rigor of closed balances, he designed the repudiated Wall of the Farmers General, a gigantic perimeter stone barrier around Paris to prevent any popular smuggling. The starving people indignantly saw in that stone a suffocating, open-air fiscal dungeon. A poisonous personal animosity, stoked by resentful figures like Jean-Paul Marat, fatally paved the way to the scaffold. But before the world burned, Lavoisier delivered his great intellectual testament. In the effervescent year of 1789, he published his monumental work, Traité élémentaire de chimie. It was humanity's first truly modern chemistry textbook. He replaced the obscure folkloric terms of alchemy with a logical, globally standardized language. He pragmatically defined a list of 33 base elements, and he elevated the unshakable law of conservation of mass to a universal scientific principle. In every reaction, the total mass of the reactants is mathematically identical to that of the products. That same year, 1789, the fury of the French Revolution brutally collapsed the enclaves of his oppressive wall. In 1794, the unstoppable guillotine severed the genius's head in the abyss of the terror. But Marianne, heroically re-emerging from the darkness and impoverishing confiscation, saved his manuscripts, posthumously editing and printing the memoirs that cemented his irreplaceable legacy. Lavoisier taught us that in the cosmos nothing is created and nothing is destroyed. It is only transformed. The animal heat that emanates from our bodies is the same flame that ignites the stars. His body fell, but his atoms and his discoveries continue dancing in the eternal equation of the universe. We are Amautas.